In this guide, I'll show you how to change the profile picture on your Google account. Now, this is a super quick and straightforward tutorial. You just need to head over to an internet browser and then head over to google.com. Once you're on the Google page and you're logged into your Google account, click on your profile icon in the top right hand side, select Manage your Google account. Now, right at the top here, you'll see your profile icon. Just go ahead and select this. And this is where we can change the profile picture. So all you need to do is select Add Profile Picture. And you can decide to change your profile picture to one of these pre-made templates. Or you can select a photo that you already have saved in your Google Photos. And alternatively, we can upload a photo directly from our computer. So to do that, just select Upload from Computer. Select the profile picture that you want to upload. And once you're happy with your new profile picture, just go ahead and press Next. And as you can see, this can take a day or two in order for the changes to take effect. So once you're happy with your new picture, click on Save as Profile Picture. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you change your profile picture on your Google account. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribe.